Hey everybody, I'm Jeremy.
And I'm Paul. Welcome to Tech Talk.
Brought to you by the Kentuckiana TRC. Morning, Paul.
Morning, Mr. Witt.
How are you today?
Very well, and yourself?
Doing well. What you got here?
This is a product that's kind of cutting edge technology. We use this. This is what I had on the other day in the video that we're going to show you guys here in just a little bit when I was in the Capability Center.
Okay.
So this is a product from a company called RealWear.
All right.
They've been an Encompass partner with Rockwell probably about a year now, I guess.
But they've been around for a while.
Yeah, absolutely. But they just started their partnership with Rockwell about a year or so ago. But RealWear took an Android tablet. So think about this. Took a tablet, blew it apart, took all the components out of it.
Yep.
And then they repackaged it in such a way that it's a wearable device, hands-free wearable device.
Almost like a head-mounted tablet.
The part number for this, you're a good front man.
HMT?
HMT, which stands for Head Mounted Tablet. So again, Android operating system, built-in battery, lithium battery, replaceable battery. So it's a rechargeable lithium battery. Has a couple of micro USB ports on it. Has a micro SD card slot so that you can actually put documents, photos, videos, those types of things on the unit itself for storage.
Yeah, you demo that in the video.
Yeah. It is an IP66 rated device. So when RealWear put this together, they made it to be meant to use in an industrial space.
Okay.
Okay. Typical camera or typical tablet. Got Bluetooth, Wi-Fi built into it, home button, power button, speakers, microphone. It's got a camera.
Okay.
To do still life or still photography or video. Flashlight. Really has a great articulating arm, so it pivots in a lot of different directions so that you can get this put just exactly underneath your eye.
Really get it in focus on your eye.
Yeah, a lot of adjustment for that.
Left eye or right eye?
So in this case, left eye dominant. If you want it to be a right eye dominant unit, you simply spin this around. Obviously, we're going to take it off the bump cap, flip it over, and now that's a right eye dominant unit.
Easy peasy.
Yeah, easy peasy. Nothing to take apart. Keeps all that IP66 rated rating in place. Now, this is a standard bump cap that it's on. So the HMT device is not part of the helmet, right? This bump cap is just a standard bump cap like you'd use. It could be used with a ball cap, same kind of strap. If your PPE requirements are such that you need to have you have to wear a hard hat, it's got some sockets built in down here that actually allow you to clip this up into the brim or the edge of your hard hat, kind of like your earmuffs would be.
Very cool.
So there's not, you're not putting this on top of a hard hat and worrying about it slipping off, falling off, that type of stuff. So yeah, it's a great little unit. It's been a lot of fun to demo and show customers. So what we do is actually just play the video and let you guys take a look at it and see how it works. But,
cool. Awesome sauce. Well, here's the video, folks, and we'll be back in just a second.
I'm in the lab, Capability Center, and this is just my headset, and just looking around the room.
Okay.
So, what all we got?
But this is what your human eyes see. It's what's in the room. What do you see on that headset? Can you share that with us?
Oh, inside the screen itself?
Yeah, like the tablet. This thing's head-mounted tablet. So what's that tablet
HMT.
look like?
Start share. Screen. All right, so what you should see are 3 icons on my desktop, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So everything in this is driven by voice commands. So my programs, and these are the applications that I actually have installed on the device.
Okay, so they came all installed on there?
They did, and you can see that it's the navigation is pretty snappy. Navigate back. So I'm just spinning my head from basically shaking my head no. So I'm going right to left.
Oh, that's cool. Cool. Yeah.
Through those icons.
Yeah.
So you can see right now we're running a Zoom session right now.
Yeah.
But you can see there's multiple different applications that I've got installed that we could work with.
So this is an Android tablet, so you can install like that CHALK. You installed that on there, right?
Oh yeah, and the cloud thing, the FLIR thing, all those different applications. I put a lot of those different ones on there. Navigate back. So those are the different apps that are on there. Going to My Files. And these are the different applications. You can see I've got multiple different ones. I've actually got OneDrive is configured on this unit. But if I go into My Documents, there's a couple of different items that I've got installed on here just for kicks and grins, right? But if I open up that 520 Users Manual, select item 2. Zoom level 3. Next page. Zoom level 2. Next page. Go to page 36. Next page. Zoom level 3.
Oh yeah,
Freeze window.
I mean, it would look kind of not great at first, but when you zoom in, it looks fabulous. It's just like scrolling in on a PDF document on my computer.
Exactly. So I froze the screen so that I could actually move my head from left to right, and I could actually look at that IO diagram, right, and be able to get to it if I'm looking down at the drive as I'm wiring the stuff. Scroll window. Navigate back.
Okay. So that way you can move your head and keep what you want to look at fixed. That makes sense.
Exactly. Navigate back. Navigate home. Of course, you've got my camera. You saw that earlier, kind of the first person point of view. Take photo. So I just took a picture. Preview. So there's a preview of what the picture looked like.
So is this all stored?
Delete.
It can be stored on that SD card and everything that you got in there, like we talked about?
Yeah, absolutely. So I could store that on my SD card. I actually have it synchronized to Microsoft OneDrive, so it actually, if I'm connected to Wi-Fi, it'll actually synchronize that up to the cloud.
So if I walk back into a plant and I lose Wi-Fi, it'll save it on the SD card, and then when I get Wi-Fi back, it just auto syncs. I don't have to do any stuff.
Correct. That's correct.
That's pretty handy. Yeah.
Yep. So navigate home. So yeah, it's a slick system, man. All the settings that you'd expect in a tablet. I can change the font size. I can change the brightness level of the screen. The layouts of the icons. It's just a tablet. So it's a pretty slick little system.
Cool. Awesome. Thanks for sharing, sir.
All right, buddy. Thanks, Jeremy.
See you, Paul.
Oh, that's a pretty good video, man.
Yeah, it's a really cool device, Jeremy. It's a little bit cutting edge for industry at this point, but I really believe in the next 2 years this is going to be the type of devices that our maintenance technicians and field users are going to be using.
And you slip, trip, and fall, people should be fond of it too because it doesn't interfere with any PPE, right?
That's exactly right. Wear your safety glasses, hearing protection, hard hat, bump cap. If you're in a panel working on and it is a live powered up panel, obviously you wear your face shield, you got your rubber gloves that you can, for working with arc flash, you can suit up, absolutely. And it doesn't obstruct your eye, right? This actually is meant to sit just below your cheekbone, right? So there's no obstruction in your vision, forward or your peripheral vision, either one.
Just like reading a book. You look down and read your book, you look back up and see the world.
That's the way it's meant to be
Perfect.
used. So.
Well, thanks, folks. We've got another video showing how to use chalk with this, so check that out if you like. And we appreciate your time today.
Thanks, everybody.